Yeah, I mean, in Pyeongchang, he did grab that bronze. And if you're to have anybody in the world beat you in a pipe contest, to have Ayumu Hirano and Shaun White sitting above you,
you're doing all right.
That's as good as a win, right? Let's be honest.
But I think Scotty has entered that discussion where just any type of medal isn't good enough. Just getting on the podium isn't good enough. Scotty James is a competitor. You see he wears the boxing mitts. He's ready for a heavyweight fight. He's come here to take the top spot.
Yeah, so being an Australian and the kangaroo boxing glove thing on Australian Day a few years ago at X Games, he started wearing those, and it kind of has become his signature look. Scotty with a front side 12 double right off the bat into a backside 12. So the craziest combo we've seen thus far. Scotty James front 10. This run has it all. Mellows it out to a front side 5. Into the switch backside 12.
It's as good as it gets, Preston.
Wow. So 7 to 12, excuse me. So the switch backside 12 down the bottom. That will earn him a ton of points. You talk to any of the riders in the field, and in all the different directions and combos you could spin on a snowboard, that switch backside is just the most difficult, especially in the pipe. As he works over the top of this pipe with the back-to-back 12 combos.
Perhaps no one in this field with a more technical run than Scotty James. We fully expect this thing to score him up into the top spot. The question becomes, can the guy following him, Ayumu Hirano, catch him?
This was a switch frontside 5 into the switch back 12. So changing up his line from some of the stuff we've seen in the past. And this is going to be a healthy score coming in from James. Criteria score building, not bad, 61 out of 75.
61.1, when you combine that with the overall, an 83.6 left, no doubt about it. Scotty James takes a commanding lead.
Well, Scotty James, he's been in it a long time. Scotty with a front side 12 double right off the bat into a backside 12. So the craziest combo we've seen thus far. Scotty James front 10. This run has it all. Mellows it out to a front side 5. Into the switch backside 12.